Hey guys, it's the Diamond Company here, and today what we are going to be doing is a $50,000 drift car challenge. Now, this challenge is it's not going to be like you got to drift around a certain thing. It's just you got to have like a pretty decent amount of power, and you got to be able to drift the parking lot and a roundabout. And so what I'm going to do is we're just gonna go into the auto show here. Now, I don't really know what car that we're gonna be using today. I don't really want to do a Toyota Supra. You know, let me just go to country and then go to Japan. Now, we could do a 350. S15 or S14, S15. We could do that, but I don't want to do that. Hey, you know what? Let's do a Mitsubishi Eclipse. Well, how much is that? This is $35,000. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with the Mitsubishi Eclipse. So I think I'm just gonna go with like. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, so we're gonna buy this car with $25,000. Now, the reason I didn't buy it off of the auction house is that's against the rules. You got to buy it from the auto show in my version. So that's already $25,000. So I don't need Forza Vista. So the main things that we're gonna work on, so we need to go to upgrades. So the first thing right off the bat, before I forget it, we got to lock the differential. Okay, lock the differential all the way. So we don't need to worry about aero and appearance. We need to actually, what's the number? No, not engine swap. That's against the rules too. You got to have the stock engine. So let me just see, 210 brake horsepower. You know, I think I'm just gonna play it easy. Upgrade the cams and turbo. Oh, it's already single turbo. That's pretty good. So $9,000 already. So wait, how much horsepower? After the exhaust, I think, yeah, 364 horsepower, and let's see, because I'm gonna do weight reduction. 3,158 pounds. So now we're gonna do weight reduction. This minus 563, so that's 2,500 pounds pretty much. So that's really light. Now we're gonna put a fresh set of coils on it. Oh my gosh, that is low as crap. We're getting a little bit of talking. Some talking going on. So. And just street brakes. So now comes the fun stuff. We don't want to upgrade the compound. We do want to upgrade this a little bit so we'll get some traction. So, you know what I'm thinking for this? I think I really like those ADV1s. But let me just. Let me go to BBS, because there's this BBS set of wheels that I really like on this car, right here, man, and they're minus 21 pounds. You know what, RSGT, or that's NGT, yeah, RSGT, those are going to be our wheels, so we got to watch our money, because we're running out. We're not going to upgrade the size. No, I think we can get an aero and appearance. Not trying to be too ricey here. $90. Yeah, let's do it. No, we are not doing the big obnoxious ricer wing. Now I would like something kind of fresh and clean. I'm thinking the Kaminari. Yeah, whatever that is. You know, that's as clean as you're gonna get with this car, really, so let's do it. No, I ain't feeling it. So, we gotta really watch our budget, so, wait, is this all-wheel drive? I think it's all-wheel drive, isn't it? Crap. Okay, yeah. So, we got to do a rear-wheel drive. Oh, yes, finally. Okay, good. I thought it was gonna be over budget there for a little bit. So, let's see, shall we upgrade the clutch? Install our set, oh, shoot. Well, I guess we're not getting an upgraded clutch. So, we went from 210 horsepower to 364 horsepower, and lateral G's to 0.8 to 0.9. And 3,199 to 2,346. Those are up. So now I'm just gonna do some tuning, like locking the differential. Okay, we can't upgrade deceleration, but you know, it's whatever. Well, actually, we're gonna actually raise it to make this a little bit more realistic. Let's raise it to 6.3 and 6 because in drifting, if you go off the track, you're ripping your front bumper off if you have like a stupid low car. So we're gonna put 1 degree, 0.5 degrees, and then front caster angle all the way high. So I'm gonna try the stock gearing. I'm gonna go 32 right there. So yeah, let's just go ahead and try this out. So let's give it a little rev test. So we got that cheesy blow off valve. Okay, so I stalled. So now that we're at the parking lot, I'm going to try to drift around here in second gear, maybe third gear if we have to. Oh gosh, this thing is not. There we go. And there's no assist zone with simulation steering. Damn, close, getting closer. Uh-oh. Rest in peace, front bumper. I probably should have upgraded the flywheel so I could have revved faster. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good representation of what $50,000 can buy you. Now we got to get over to the roundabout. Okay, so this is the best roundabout I think for drifting. If you want to know where it is, it's right at the corner in the map, and there's a roundabout. You can see it. It's not that hard. So, I gotta get a good. Ow! There we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Easy peasy. Tell him it to spin out there. So now that we've demonstrated we can do the roundabout, let's get the parking lot going. Now, this is really let's try to clutch kick here. Hold it. Oh, we parked. I'm a genius. That was the $50,000 cheap drift car challenge. I hope you enjoyed. There'll probably be more Forza challenges in the future. We may even do like a $20,000 fun car with like 200 horsepower at least. So yeah, until next time, I'll see ya.